We do not want to die. We do not want even mosquitoes' pain. I do not want. But sometimes I really find difficult, you see, dialogue with mosquito and my pain. So, as I mentioned earlier, it's a mosquito. Mentally, sometimes I feel, because let's give some blood. If that, you see, no malaria. If I'm sure, no malaria. That but you see, first mosquito come, sometimes I give some blood. Then second come, third come. That's difficult. still difficult. But in any case, you see, I'm practicing. You see, try to help other people, try to give some comfort to others as much as I can. So, I forgot what I'm saying. So mosquito take my idea.